Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to find trending stickers in Snapchat. By using trending stickers, you can stay up to date with the latest trends and add a touch of creativity to your snaps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. By default, the app will open to the Explore section, which is the camera section. Take a picture by tapping the capture button at the bottom center of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the sticker icon located on the right side of the screen. Then, navigate to the Star section. Here you'll find the trending stickers, which are the most used ones by Snapchat users. By following these simple steps, you can easily find trending stickers in Snapchat and add them to your snaps, keeping your content fresh and engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.